Welcome to SRS Infosystems, your trusted partner in performance-driven automation. We serve clients globally with over 50,000 Upwork hours and a 100% job success rate. We streamline workflows through advanced automation, provide actionable insights with business intelligence dashboards, develop tailored systems, offer affordable solutions, and drive digital transformation. Achieve operational excellence with us. We automate tasks using Google Apps Script, provide real-time insights through dashboards, streamline operations with integrated tools, and offer full tool integration for cohesive workflows. Our core services include automating business workflows, building insightful dashboards, and developing custom tools tailored to your operations. We deliver scalable solutions that boost productivity and simplify decision-making. We utilize PHP, Python, React, and JavaScript for versatile development, manage data with MySQL and PostgreSQL, enhance data visualization with Power BI and Looker Studio, integrate tools like Google Workspace and ClickUp, and support our framework with DevOps tools. We have extensive experience with over 50,000 hours on Upwork, a 100% job success rate, a global client trust, reliable delivery, and technical expertise. Discover the advantages of partnering with us. Client testimonials on our services. Hear from Bjorn Kristiansen, Martin Walker, and Jeff Oxford about their positive experiences and successful projects with SRS Infosystems. Our innovative projects and use cases. We offer automated attendance tracking, database migration expertise, custom inventory and POS solutions, and real-time dashboards to enhance workforce productivity and key performance indicators. Let's build something together. Ready to partner with a team that delivers results? Contact us at info@srs-infosystems.com.